All
Good
right,
morning.
children. Good morning, beta. Good morning once again.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Now, children, this is what? This is your English creative writing class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just confirm from all of you what all topics you've done, because I and Rashmi ma'am together take your English creative, right? So, what all topics have been covered so far?
Ma'am, a character development,
Yes.
paragraph writing, favorite person, personal narratives. What is your favorite uh,
Game. What is your favorite game?
no, ma'am. It's
What is your
school
favorite
activity.
who is your favorite person?
What is your
Ma'am, which
favorite
class?
after school activity?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What is your
which class?
favorite after school
Activity.
activity and informal letter?
Yes, ma'am. And after that, it's informal letter.
Ma'am, I have filled index.
You have done one informal letter also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
About write a letter to your friend inquiring about his health and also wishing him a speed recovery.
Okay. In personal narratives, have you done that topic? What is your favorite game? Is it a video game or a board game? Have you
Yes,
done
ma'am.
this?
Yes, ma'am. I have done that.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes.
written
Yes,
my
ma'am. I have
beloved
done.
game
Remember, ma'am?
is the outdoor game, which is
Okay. Now today what we are going to do is we are again going to write an informal letter. Now what is the topic? What is the heading of the informal letter? Just give me a minute, I'll tell you. What is the topic? What letter you have to write?
Ma'am, we are doing anything.
Yes, beta, we are writing an informal letter today. Now, what that informal letter is, I'll just tell you the topic. You have to write a letter. Yes. Now, listen to me. Listen to the topic very carefully. Okay. You have returned from a holiday at a hill station. Okay. You have returned from a holiday. Where did you go? You went to a hill station. Write a letter to a friend mentioning what you found most exciting about the place. What was the
ma'am.
most exciting thing that you found in that place?
Ma'am.
Beta, wait, let me finish. Who is saying ma'am, I in between? You have to give two reasons to explain why you consider it an ideal place for vacation. You have to tell two reasons that why that place is good, ideal. Ideal means good. Why that place is ideal for a vacation. Okay, why do you think that is a perfect destination for a vacation? Yes, now say.
Can you repeat? Ma'am,
What?
can you please repeat?
I will repeat. Yes, before that, who is asking me what? Okay, one more time. Listen to what you have to write. You have to write an informal letter. Informal letter to your friend. Now, what is the letter about? You have returned from a holiday at a hill station. You have to mention what you found most exciting about the place and give 2 reasons to explain why you consider it as an ideal place for vacation. Is that clear?
And then we have to write this informal letter to our friend.
Yes, to your friend. You will mention different things that I just told you. Why you think that this place is perfect for a vacation.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I use another place?
Yes. Not only a hill station, if you want to use any other place, you can use.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Heading is informal letter.
Ma'am, please type that we have to do, because we have to write it in the notebook.
Okay, I will try. I will type in the chat box. Children, do you know the format of an informal letter? How an informal letter is written?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the format? Tell me.
First we have to write our full address, then date, then the name, then the name of it, the name of which where.
Yashmit, mute yourself, beta. Yashmit, there is a lot of disturbance. Yes. I think something is wrong with your device. Now just unmute yourself. Try to speak something, Yashmit. Again, there is some disturbance. Children, can you stop this disturbance? Okay, I can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
There is some
I
disturbance.
saw that some explains my disturbance heading.
Okay, the heading is once again, write a letter to your friend. Now, what that letter would be about mentioning what you found most exciting about the place you went for a vacation to. Okay, you went to a place for a vacation. Write a letter to your friend mentioning what you found most exciting about that place. Give 2 reasons why you think that place is ideal for vacation. Now, if we talk about the format of an informal letter, wait, beta. The format is first you have to write the sender's address. Who is the sender here? You are the address. You are the sender. You are writing the letter. Who is talking in between? I just want to know that person's name. You are the sender, so you will be writing your own address. Then the date. On what date the letter is being written? That date. Then salutation, hi or hello. Or dear, hi, hello, dear Anuj, like that. Suppose I say the name is Anuj. Okay? Whatever your friend's name is, you will write dear and his or her name. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, I have joined with my another device. So, ma'am, my device is drawn. So, ma'am, please can you send the again heading?
See the heading, it's in the chat box. Okay, then the body of the letter. What is the body of the letter? You are mentioning about your trip, about the place there where you went for your vacation and why you found the place very nice, and what all reasons. That's the body of the letter. Then after that comes the subscription. That is like to a friend if you're writing. So what all you write? Yours sincerely. You write to close friends, yours sincerely, or your affectionately, or like this. When you write to your relatives, it should be yours affectionately. And when you write to your friends, it is yours sincerely. Then after that, your name in the end. So this is how you will write an informal letter to your friend. Now start writing.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Who is asking what we are doing?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat the format of the informal letter.
Beta, you want me to send you the format of informal letter? I will just take a
Yes,
picture
ma'am.
and share it with you all.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Beta, we are writing informal letter to a friend, telling him or her about the experience of the vacation that you have just returned from.
Okay.
And why you feel that place is perfect for a vacation. Mute yourself, whosoever it is. Beta, see on the screen share, you can see the format of the letter. How an informal letter is written. All of you can see the screen? See, how do we start? Sender's address, date, and salutation. Then the body of the letter, and then in the end, subscription.
Ma'am, please minimize the picture.
Okay, now it's fine.
Ma'am, what is the description?
Where?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the sender's address? Ma'am, we have to also write give 2 reasons why you think that
Yes,
place.
yes. You have to write these 2 reasons.
Okay,
Beta,
ma'am.
sender's address is who is sending the letter? You are sending the letter, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you are the sender.
Okay, ma'am. Address क्या होगा?
Beta, you have to write your postal address, where you stay, your residence, address of residence. बेटा इससे तो अच्छा कुछ अपने लिए बना ले इतनी देर में, इतना तो तू एक्सपर्ट है.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of subscription and senders address?
Beta, subscription is yours sincerely. When you write a letter to your friend, what do you write in the end? Yours sincerely. And then your name under it.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I read? Ma'am,
In the last sender's name signature, in that we can do anything.
Sender's name, we can do anything. Beta, you are sending the letter, so you will write your name, no? Why anything?
I was asking, we can even write the name and
Ma'am,
even.
what
Can
is
I
the date?
Beta, let me finish off with one query. Yes, Varshita?
Ma'am, in the last we can do both name or signature, both we can do.
No. You will just write your name, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now next query.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I read?
No, not read, beta, please. I have not even cleared the format to other children. No reading right now. Let everybody write first.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after
in
the
salutation we what
बेटा दो जनों को सुन लूं मैं, दो जनों को साथ में सुन लूं. Will I be able to listen to two people at a time? Now say. One by one, please say.
Ma'am, what is written after the date?
Salutation. Salutation is how you address your friend. You say dear or whatever you say, like that. Next query.
Ma'am, in subscription what we have to write?
Yours sincerely.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is solution?
It is salutation. Salutation is dear friend. When you write informal letter, you write respected or something like sir or madam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So here you will write.
Ma'am, we have to write the name of our friend also.
Yes, beta, you will write no, whatever your friend's name is.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done some odd thing.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what is the meaning of sender's address?
Beta, who is the sender of the letter? Tell me. Who is sending the letter? You are sending the letter to your friend, no? You will send it or not? Yes. Then whose address will come? Tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, but I am not saying this. Ma'am, I am saying there is a only little box. So we have to write our city name.
No, beta, no city name. You don't have to write. In sender's address, you have to write where you live. In which, what is your address? You will write your complete address, beta, Jaskaran. आप address कैसे लिखते हो अपना? वैसे ही लिखोगे जैसे लिखते हो. Okay? And if by chance you are posting your letter outside India, then you will even write your country's name. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Smith, beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I speak my informal letter?
Beta, let everybody write, no? Then we'll speak. All of you have written. There are so many children who are still writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself, Yashmit. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done Akshita Tiwari.
Very nice, beta. Now tell me how many of you are still doing? Most of you have done?
Ma'am, I'm writing my name.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
I have
done.
done last line.
Okay.
Ma'am, now can I speak?
Yes. Now let's just read out what we've written. Okay, so let's
Ma'am, can I
start. Who was the first one to complete the work? Was it Shaurya Tyagi? No.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it was me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I
it was
heard
me,
Shaurya
Shaurya.
Tyagi, no? When I was explaining you the format, then Shaurya said, ma'am, I have done. Okay, Shaurya, read out what you done.
Okay. It was
Yashmit, beta, mute yourself.
Dear Yuvra, do you know I went to Almora hill station. I went to temple of Almora like Jadeshwar, Kachi Dam, etc. When we were driving our car, then we saw Jadeshwar temple. We went in temple and suddenly the climate and weather were changed. We go inside our car. Then I put my hand out of car. Then I feel droplets and rain and I feel that I am touching clouds. That was very amazing and lovely. Your friends are dead.
Very nice, very good.
Question from him.
Ma'am, can I speak, Kanav?
Yes, yes. Shaurya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask beta.
Ma'am, is sure is that place Windsor?
What?
Your
Is that place Windsor?
Is that place what?
Windsor?
I don't understand, beta, what you are saying.
I'm
Varshita?
saying, is that place Windsor?
Ma'am,
Yes, Yashmit, now be quiet. We can hear you. We can hear you. Please be quiet.
ma'am.
Yes, Varshita?
I'm saying that is that place Windsor?
Windsor. No, what is the place name? Shaurya, you already took the place, the name of the place where you went.
Almora.
Almora.
Yeah,
ma'am.
I went to Almora.
All right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Ma'am,
Can I do something? Ma'am, I was the second to complete.
Who was the second? Yashmit. All right.
Ma'am,
Yashmit, speak.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, Jaskaran, ask beta.
Ma'am, in solution, we have to write the name, or we have to only write dear friend.
You have to write your friend's name.
Ma'am, I am starting. 108 is First Green apartment behind Softis Public School near Green Park, Nagar, Bareilly. Dear Jaskaran, I have returned from Nainital. It is a good place for vacation. You can live in nature drop resort. You can do many activities. Nainital is a beautiful place. There are many famous spots in it. These are two reasons that why it is ideal place for vacation. Your best friend, Yashmit Mishra. Ma'am, what we are
All
doing
right.
now? Ma'am, can I speak?
Ma'am, can I speak something? Ma'am, can I say Varshita?
Akshaj, beta, you are from 4th A now.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I speak? Speak
Yes, beta, speak.
Golden Green Park, house number 4, Bareilly, 21 May 2021. Dear Saurav, hello. I hope you are good there. I am also good here. I want to tell you that I was gone for summer vacation in Mussoorie. That is a hill station. It is a very beautiful place. The two things that I like about there was snow and pleasant weather. I enjoyed a lot and I hope that you will also like that place. I hope that in the next summer vacation we both will go together. See you soon. Bye. Your loving friend Samarth.
Very nice, Samath. But Samath, what two reasons did you give? The place of for being ideal. Yes.
The snow and the pleasant weather.
All right. Very nice. Okay, who will read
Ma'am, now
next?
can I?
Who will read next? Yes. Akshadha, say.
Okay, ma'am. 250 Phase 9 Pawan Bihar Bareilly. Date 21 May 2021. Dear Lisa. Hello Lisa, how are you? I hope you are happiest as you always. I hope your exams are finished. Last week we go on a trip in Nainital. In Nainital it was a heavy snowfall. It was looking a white city. The surroundings were clean and very beautiful. I hope you like my trip.
Very nice.
Your
Very good.
loving friend Akshita.
Very good.
Can I read what you will write on subscription?
You have to write, beta, yours sincerely or yours loving. Yours loving is also fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who wants to come next? But
Ma'am,
just
can I? I'm Varshita.
all right, Varshita. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. To my friend P. My dear friend, I went to Windsor. It's a beautiful place for nature. There are so many adventures. It's also a great place for vacations. Do you know that this place is a hill station? I had a fun time there. My family and me, we had family time there. My mother's and my father's anniversary was held there. Bye.
What is the name of the place, Varshita?
Windsor.
So where is Windsor?
It's actually near Almora.
All right.
Actually, at the top of Nainital.
Okay, even above Nainital. Very nice. At a great height.